Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 with the bare roof. We've just installed a Thule WingBar Edge complete roof rack. This bundle is comprised of the WingBar Edge bars. That's 721620 in the front and 721520 in the rear with a black finish, and these are also available in silver. The Evo Clamp foot pack and vehicle specific fitting kit 145301. Locks are available separately as an accessory but are not required. Crossbars are mounted at 28 3/8 inches center to center. Weight capacity for this roof is 165 pounds evenly distributed. This is a multi-purpose roof rack that can handle lots of different gear like kayaks, bikes, luggage, and more. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. Make sure to use the link in the description when making your purchase to ensure you get all the correct parts. Thank you for your support, and like always, thanks for watching.